The feelReady workshop was a good mix, working in groups and discussing the answers to the practice questions and having time to work on our own in a time setting and learning how to pace ourselves.
The best thing about the workshop was the intensive review of the questions and the rationale, and of course the overall support that we got, just going over the mistakes that we've had and making those corrections.
I also really enjoy feelReady workshop leaders and how approachable and friendly and knowledgeable they were about the exam, but also about the profession as a whole.
I recommend this program to other students as well. It's helped increase my anxiety by giving me the skills I need to do better than I expected.
I feel very prepared to create and move forward with a solid study plan.
So I feel thrilled. I feel pumped. I came into this like already anxious, but going over this today definitely made me feel ready.